There are 4 lookup functions in Microsoft Excel. These functions search for a word and return its vertical or horizontal related value. Remember, lookup functions are slow and resource consuming. It is important to sort your data for better performance of lookup functions. By default, our data is in vertical form. Let's use the same data in horizontal form by transposing the range, using transpose option in paste spatial window. The first function is lookup function. It can look up a value both vertically and horizontally. We will see how it works by looking up different values including those not available in the table. Enter the value you are searching for in the lookup_value parameter. Enter the range where you want to search in the lookup_vector parameter. Finally, enter from the range where you want to return the value in the result_vector parameter. Let's enter a search term that does not exist in the table. It has still returned a value. Although this item was not available in the table, the lookup function returned the nearest item's related value. Let's try the XLookup function now, by entering search term, search range, and the result range. At this point, the result is same. However, XLookup has more features than lookup function. Let's search for an item that is not available in the table. As you can see, unlike the lookup function, the XLookup function gives an error when the item searched is not in the table. However, the XLookup function has an option, which allows us to tell the XLookup what to do when an item is not available, such as return not found. It also allows us to choose what mode is used for matching. By default, exact matching is selected. However, if we select the exact matching or next small value, the result is similar to the lookup function, which has this matching selected by default. Our next function is the VLookup function. It is among the most widely used functions. It looks up values vertically only, unlike the lookup function and the XLookup function. It also does not allow separate search and result vectors, therefore the first column must be the search column. The result column can be defined by the column index. It allows approximate or exact matching. If an item is present more than once in the table, the first item will be selected by lookup function. If an item is not available in the search range, the VLookup function will give an error. Function itself does not provide error handling. If error function can be used to eliminate the error. Lookup function performs exactly the same in horizontal data. It automatically understands if data is vertical or horizontal. Similarly, XLookup function also performs exactly the same way as it does in vertical data. It also understands if the data is vertical or horizontal. VLookup function cannot be used in horizontal data. For that, Excel provides us another function, the HLookup function. It is the same as VLookup function, only horizontal. It also does not give the option of separate search and result ranges. Therefore, the first row must be the search row, and the result row is defined by the row index. Please ask any question, or leave a feedback, in the comment section.